Hi viewers, hope everyone is well. Today's video is a bit different. In this video, we are going to see the names of different parts of a long-range ballistic missile. Let's get started. Nose cone. Its job is very simple. It helps the missile move forward by cutting and dividing the air. Seeker head and guidance section. The job of the seeker head is to identify the target. The guidance section guides the missile in the right direction during flight and houses the inertial navigation system, GPS, and flight control computer. This is the warhead. The necessary explosives are loaded inside the warhead. It can be a small or large bomb. Canard fins. These are aerodynamic control surfaces that help change the direction of the missile. They are usually controlled by servo motors to allow for real-time direction changes. Here is the fuel tank. Liquid fuel is used in long-range ballistic missiles. This is a missile engine. Simply put, liquid missile engines and liquid rocket engines are technically very similar, but there are some important differences in their use, design, and purpose. Stabilizer fin, which is completely joined to the body. It is used only to provide stability to the missile. Stabilizer fins or control fins may have different names depending on the type of missile. Control fins are only used if they are used to control the direction, roll, etc. of the missile.